Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix Roblox installation problems. Now, this is going to be quick and easy. So let's do this. So the first thing that you can do is to delete some old files that is stored in your device for Roblox. So to do that, click on Start, and here you can type Run. So let's click on Run. And here you can type percent local app data percent and click OK. So it is going to open a folder, and from here we can scroll and look for Roblox. So it's right over here. So what you have to do is right click this one and click on delete. All right, now after that, you can close this folder and open up a web browser. And from here, go to roblox.com. Now here, make sure that you are logged into your account. And what you can do is select a game. Select this one, for example. Now after that, you can click on play. And here, when Roblox asks you to install the Roblox client, you can go ahead and click download and install Roblox. So when it's done downloading, you can go ahead and open up the folder. So locate the installer and it's right here. Let's double click on this one. Click run. So this is going to reinstall Roblox into your device. Now, after the installation, open Roblox. So let's log in. So after you log in, you can go ahead and try a game. Let's try this one. Let's click on play. And right here, you can actually see that we can now play the game. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.